It changed my view of auditions in the sense that now there's just so many things that I think aren't there. They aren't coming in. Different thoughts. You know, there's all kinds of different ways out there, you know, or whether you need to bring your life in. I don't even think that way anymore. And you know, I always knew that was wrong, and I always chased that out in different ways I had. But by once again doing this process, you get to see how that stuff just falls off. You don't have to make it go away. It goes away because there's a real process you can go through that has nothing to do with you or this. It's about the character. It's about the process. And so in that sense now I feel the freedom that wasn't necessarily there before. I feel that. I can feel that now. I can see it in my work. And it's a great thing. It's a great feeling for an actor to look forward to what you want to go do in this space and time right now, rather than what do I have to do? It's not it, you know, so that's changed.